So these are the codes that you need to write in the Eclipse. Okay, basically there are 3 classes: demo thread 1, demo thread 2, and my thread. Where demo thread 1 is the first class that we show the thread that will print numbers from 0 to 5 actually, and then actually it's less than 5. And then thread number 2 will print the numbers starting from 11 until 14. And then the third class, which is my thread, will create the object for all 2 classes, demo thread 1 and thread 2, and start calling method start to execute and display the output. So if you want to run this code, go to run and run as Java application. So you will see the output in the bottom console, which is the output will display the numbers randomly. Okay, thank you.